everyone, I am back to show you what is in our checked luggage. This is a Samantha Brown lightweight version. It is 28 inch. Please mind the mess everywhere, but I wanted to go ahead and get this filmed for you all. In the top part here, I have my shoes. So I just have all of my sandals, my tennies, and my water shoes up here at the top. I don't have anything in this spot. When you open it up, I have my bathroom essentials. They're all up here. Those are all checked. Up here, this one doesn't have anything in it yet. This one doesn't have anything in it yet. So let me show you how the bag actually looks. You can hear her playing with Daddy. All right, so this is the way that I have it packed. I do use my straps. In here, I have our food essentials. For our food essentials, I have a few things. I have animal crackers, regular and vanilla flavor with icing. I have baby Num Nums. I have her bottle cleaners. These are, I don't remember what they are, but I picked these up at Target. Love these. I have to-go meals as well. I have 6 of these, I think. The tuna creations are for me. I have 5 of those. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 baby Num Nums in here. This is not Pop-Tarts. Oops. This is a Pop-Tart case, which I thought was really cool. But in it, I have those cereal bars. Fits 4 of them. Really nice. So it keeps those protected, and then I can just grab these and go later. And then, like I said, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these to go, whether it's fruit or full meals. And those all fit in here. And everything fits pretty flat. And this case came from Walmart. It's called a stackable case, I believe. In the bag itself, most of my things are in pods. Pretty much all of my things are in pods. So let's take a look at those now. I have, this pod is full of kind of extras. These are all Samantha Brown packing cubes. This is a mosquito repellent band, probably for me, not for her. Some shout outs, wet ones, antibacterial, full thing of Desitin. This is another bib for her to use later on. I have some moist wipes, her baby powder. I also have some more straws, a teether, an extra pacifier, which I think I'm going to take out and put that somewhere else. And then here is another one of those mats that I was telling you about. In the, oh, I guess if you haven't watched that video. And these are placemats. They are from Safety First. And they have this like jelly stuff on the back, so when you put it down, the kid can't move it. It's really great. I'm taking 2 of these. I have one in her diaper bag that is in her restaurant essentials, and then I have this one. And all of this fits in here. And like I said, these are just kind of extras, but good to have. I wanted to take additionals. I didn't want to just take one thing. Then I have another pod that fits below that, and these contain her little meals. So these are her little meals. I have 4 in here, and then I have 2 that I'm taking with us. And then underneath all of that is my pod for my clothes. So this is all my clothes that are in here. Right hand side of the bag, it's also contained. So just undo that. And this first gray pod, I have just like our extras. Side. So in here I have a hooded towel for her. This is her Winnie the Pooh towel. And I have extra bibs. So these are the diapers, but I use them as bibs. I have an extra jacket. And then I also have sheets. So I have 3 sheets. Two of them are for the actual crib. The hotel that we're going to said that they would put up a crib. However, I don't know what size of crib. You know, if you go to a daycare, those cribs are smaller than your normal size crib. So I also have a sheet that fits a smaller crib. And then I have the full size sheets. Then in here what we still have is we have 3 pods left. This one is my necessities, you know, knickers, socks, things like that. And then I have 2 other pods. This pod and this pod. This pod is our this pod is our swimming essentials. So this is our swimming essentials. I have her hat with a cover. I picked this up at Target. I have her bathing suit. I have another bathing suit for her. And then I have the disposable swim diapers. I have my cover up. My bottoms and my top as well are in here. And then this is a full-size floaty for her to sit in the middle. So we're taking that as well. They have an indoor and an outdoor pool at the hotel that we will be at. So we might be swimming a lot. I don't know yet, but I have everything that we're gonna need. And that all fits right back in here. And last but not least, I have her pot of clothes. So I wanted to show you this. I do clothes a little differently, I think, than what I've seen most women. Okay, so the way that I do this is I have, on top, I have a really pretty dress just in case I need it. It's a sundress. Pick that up at Target as well. And it has a matching hat. And then I have just a basic, really thin, light onesie, along with 2 pairs of pants and a shirt. Everything else is in rolls. Okay, I have some shoes. These rolls all contain the same thing. They all contain socks, a bib, a dress or a romper of some kind. This one has overalls. And then we have a onesie, and a long sleeve onesie. And all that gets rolled up into 1 day's worth of clothes. And that way I know that I have enough changes for 1 day in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections. Down here at the bottom, I have just a few extras. These are shorts and a shirt, another short and shirt set along with an extra shirt, and then I have a t-shirt dress. And all of this fits into this one pod. And I have 2 more sets like this. Part of one is in her diaper bag that I show when I show that. And then the other part of that same set is in my carry-on luggage. So I have the whole set with me, it's just not all in her diaper bag. On the side over here, on this side pocket, I have premix formula is in there. That's what's in here, is premix formula ready to go. And that is about it. So that is how I pack up our checked luggage. Again, it's all in pods. Oh, one more thing. Forgot. These are her liquids essentials. So I still have baby soap and baby wash and dish soap. I use the Dapple dish soap. This has her full size Tylenol and Motrin, brushes, combs, and lotion, more nail clippers. This is all hers. And that just fits right in the middle. And I'm also taking liquid, laundry soap. And I got a trial version, and it fits nicely over there on the side. And then all this just packs really great back in. And I like to secure it all down. All right, this is what it looks like. I added in extra wipes, an extra pot of clothes, and this right here, which is a steamer to iron our clothes out. That was all I added. Carry-on. In the carry-on, I have activity pod, I have a book, diapers, my Infantino wrap, and my Mary Kay makeup. I have quite a bit of food in here. Her diapers, so this is 2 packs of regular diapers, and then her splashers, her regular cup to eat out of, an Arctic, that's what I use to heat up her bottles. I have a little medical kit right there, a diaper for put on her face. I have a clothes pod and her hat with a blanket in it, and I think that's it. Yep, that's it. And that all fits into the carry-on.